All right, so clearly you found this video because you need to record a voiceover in Final Cut Pro. Let's not dilly-dally at all. Let's jump straight into the screencast. We can show you exactly how to do this and get you back on track with your project. Here, let's check it out. All right, so as you can see now, I'm in my Final Cut Pro timeline and I'm ready to add a voiceover at this point in my project. We have the project down at the bottom and all my clips are in shape, just finished up a little bit of the color grading process, and now it's time to add in that voiceover. So what I'm gonna do is very simple, go up to the top and click on Window, and then from there, and in the drop-down menu, just gonna select Record Voiceover. When I do this, this pop-up window appears and I'm actually able to select all the details in order to make sure that this is recorded properly. So as you can see here, I already have my input selected as my Yeti microphone. I can rename the clip if I want to in terms of voiceover 1, maybe a different soundtrack name. And then I can also count down all the different details here. If I want to do countdown to record, I can do that. And then I'm not just thrown right into the mix, but then I can also select the event and the dialogue, anything like that that I want to do. If I want to have this separate in an audio dialogue, that's totally fine. All I have to do is go ahead and click record. It'll count me down from there. So this is just it, a quick voiceover tutorial in order to show you how to do this within Final Cut Pro. It's very simple, very easy, and I think you're gonna get the hang of it. So now at this point, I'm all done with the voiceover. As you can see, it created its own little piece down here as a voice track. I can manipulate that up and down, maybe cut it at a different point if I want to, or always move it around the timeline as necessary. But well, let's just play it back so you can hear it. So this is just it, a quick voiceover tutorial in order to show you how to do this within Final Cut Pro. It's very simple, very easy, and I think you're gonna get the hang of it. So there you go. It's as simple as that for adding your very own voiceover within Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments below and I can get back to you about them. Otherwise, good luck with your latest and greatest video production. I hope it comes out awesome. Feel free to also let me know if you have other tips, tricks, or tutorials you'd like me to go into detail on. I also have some on my page already. Feel free to check those out and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good one.